Hello friends, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix Google could not sign in. Google account could not sign in, or there was a problem communicating with Google server. So before we get started, please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Random Tech, and please hit the bell icon for latest Random Tech videos. So without spending much time, let's get started. So friends, if you are facing this kind of problem, you can see could not sign in. There was a problem communicating with Google servers. Try again later on. If you are facing this problem while logging in with your Google account, there are two steps to solve this matter at account. If you are, I won't show you exactly, but I will just tell you how to solve. If you are facing, you are going to add your account by tapping here. So the first step is, if you are facing this kind of problem while logging in with your Google account, the first step is turn off switch off your cell phone and then switch on or restart your cell phone restart your cell phone restart yourself. You can see the option here, reboot option. You can, first step is you have to restart your cell phone and then switch, it will automatically switch on, and then try logging in. So that is first step, and you will able to log in. Or if first step doesn't work on your device, then you can simply go to Play Store apps information by the settings, and you have to clear the data of every Google Play Store, Google Play Store, or any Google services, like apps, manage apps. So you can just search with Google. You have to clear data of Google Play Store, or or Google Play Store, or I will show you. Okay, you can only clear Google Play Store and then try logging in with your Google account. So I assure you that you solved that problem. So I hope you all like the video. Thank you for watching the video.